everyone, this afternoon Fergus and I are going to be reading you a story called The Crocodile Who Didn't Like Water. And I'm going to show you the first page very quickly, as it might give you a clue to what the problem is throughout our story. So we've got a big basket there full of blue eggs, and then there's just one white egg. Let's find out what happens. Once upon a time, there was a little crocodile, and this little crocodile didn't like water. He longed to play with his brothers and sisters, but they were far too busy with swim club, and this little crocodile didn't like swim club. What he really liked was climbing trees, but no one else did. It was lonely having nobody to play with, so the little crocodile made a decision. He had saved up his money from the Tooth Fairy, and he knew exactly what to buy with it. The next afternoon, he took his new rubber ring over to the water. Today, he would play with his brothers and his sisters. But he couldn't play ball or swim under the water. And although it was fun to climb the ladder, he didn't want to jump. But he didn't want to be alone, so he decided to try one last time. 1, 2, 2.5, 3, splosh! Glug! Help! This little crocodile definitely hated water. It was cold, it was wet, and it was embarrassing. But then something strange happened. His nose began to tingle, and the tickle grew and grew and grew until achoo! Is that a crocodile breathing fire? Maybe he's not a crocodile after all. This little crocodile didn't like water because he wasn't a crocodile. He was a dragon, and this little dragon wasn't born to swim. He was born to breathe fire. Look at him breathing fire so all his brothers and sisters can go in that hot air balloon with him. And he was born to fly. So that must have been the problem at the start of our story, because all the other eggs must be crocodile eggs, and that white one must have been the dragon. Now I'm going to show you the very last page of this story, because if there was another page, it might tell you a different story. We've got a new nest here, and it's full of white eggs and one blue egg. And if you look over here, it says, the dragon who didn't like fire. And I wonder why that dragon wouldn't like fire. He might not be a dragon at all. Thank you for listening to my story today. I hope you're all okay, and we hope to see you very soon. Have a great afternoon. Bye.